Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Zipper Repair Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who loves their jackets, bags, or any other fabric item with a zipper, as it provides a quick and cost-effective solution to common problems like broken zipper pulls, separated teeth, or sliders that have come off track, saving you the hassle and expense of replacing the entire garment or accessory. This kit is designed to be user-friendly, allowing even those with minimal DIY experience to restore their zippers to full working order, extending the lifespan of your favorite items and ensuring they remain functional and looking great. Number 5. EuTengHao Zipper Repair Kit. Introducing a comprehensive solution for all your zipper repair needs. This kit is designed to help you fix zippers on a variety of items, from clothing to luggage. It includes a wide range of sliders in different sizes and types, suitable for various garments like coats, jeans, and dresses. You'll find metal, nylon coil, and resin options to match your specific needs. Crafted from high-strength metal with a superb electroplating process, these components are built to last and resist fading. You can trust their quality for long-lasting repairs. This versatile kit is perfect for repairing bags, clothing, jackets, purses, luggage, backpacks, and even outdoor tents. It's an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast or for everyday repairs. The included pliers tool makes the replacement process simple. You can easily remove old sliders and install new ones, then secure the zipper stops back in place with minimal effort. This package comes with everything you need, including various sliders, stoppers, and specialized pliers. It also includes convenient zipper extension pulls for added functionality. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution for all your zipper repair needs. With a wide variety of slider sizes and types, plus a handy installation tool, it's perfect for anyone looking to fix multiple items. If you have a collection of bags, jackets, or luggage that need zipper attention, this is the all-in-one choice for you. What people say. Zipper number 2 was replaced within seconds and was beyond easy to do. Anyone can do this and save a lot of money. The product is very well built for what it is. Comes in small baggies and is easy to store when not in use. All 3 winter jackets could finally be repaired without problems, and are now ready to use again. The opening and closing is smooth and stable. Number 4. YaHoGa number 827 Antique Brass Separating Jacket Zipper. Introducing the YaHoGa number 8 zipper, a heavy-duty metal zipper designed for durability. Its antique brass finish adds a classic touch to any project. This 27-inch separating zipper is ideal for your jackets and coats. It's built to withstand frequent use, ensuring reliable performance. Beyond apparel, this versatile zipper is perfect for various sewing projects and crafts. Let your creativity shine with this quality component. The antique brass finish provides a stylish and timeless look. It complements a wide range of fabrics and designs. Designed for ease of use, this separating zipper opens and closes smoothly. It's a left-handed zipper, offering convenient functionality. Crafted with precision, this metal zipper ensures longevity and a premium feel. It's a reliable choice for all your garment and craft needs. What we like? This is a robust, antique brass metal zipper designed for durability and style. If you're working on a jacket or coat that requires a heavy-duty, classic look, this 27-inch option is an excellent fit. It's ideal for those who prioritize a strong, long-lasting zipper with a vintage aesthetic. What people say. Great length for kids' coats. Durable enough to withstand tough use in all coats. Functions well because of the wonderful quality. Heavy-duty brass 32-inch, very easy install. Blended well with the jacket. The zipper arrived sooner than expected. Metal teeth were very strong, sewed in well, great product, exactly as described. Number 3. YaHoGa number 10 30-inch black nickel separating jacket zipper. Introducing the YaHoGa number 10 heavy-duty metal zipper. This 30-inch zipper is perfect for jackets and coats. It features a sleek black nickel finish on the teeth and tape for a stylish look. This separating zipper is designed for durability. This zipper is ideal for all your sewing projects, from jackets and coats to crafts and clothing. Its robust construction ensures longevity. With a teeth length of 30 inches, it offers ample coverage for larger garments. The full length extends to approximately 31 inches. This particular zipper is designed for left-handed use. It's a single piece, making it convenient for your crafting needs. Whether you're sewing, decorating, or crafting, this zipper is a versatile essential. Its metal construction makes it a reliable choice. What we like. For a sleek, modern appearance, this 30-inch black nickel metal zipper is a fantastic choice. It's built to be heavy-duty, making it suitable for larger garments or projects. If you're looking for a durable and stylish zipper with a contemporary feel for your jackets or crafts, this one stands out. What people say. It's a good zipper, works very well as a replacement on my winter coat. Seems very sturdy and good. I used this zipper to replace a broken unit on my favorite jacket. It will last a lifetime as compared to the old zipper. I can tell that this zipper is heavy-duty and constructed well. Works great. This zipper is much better than the zipper that came with my winter coat. Number 2. YaHoGa number 8 30-inch two-way separating jacket zipper. Introducing our number 8 two-way separating jacket zipper. It features large antique brass metal teeth for a classic look and durable performance. This zipper measures 30 inches from bottom to top along the teeth, with a full length of 31 inches. It's designed for a perfect fit on jackets and coats. Ideal for jackets, coats, clothing, and various sewing crafts. Its antique brass finish adds a touch of elegance to any project. The two-way separating feature allows for easy opening and closing, providing great flexibility and functionality. This zipper is designed for left-handed operation, ensuring convenience for specific garment styles. Each package contains one zipper with a black tape color. It's a single piece, perfect for your individual sewing needs. What we like. Experience enhanced functionality with this 30-inch two-way separating zipper in an antique brass finish. The two-way feature offers greater flexibility, making it ideal for longer coats or specialized gear. If you need a zipper that allows for adjustable opening from both ends, this is the perfect option for added convenience and versatility. What people say. The zipper is a good quality replacement for a coat. It was easy to install and works smoothly. The color matched the original zipper perfectly. Number 1. 3 PCS number 5 29-inch separating zippers for sewing. Introducing our high-quality separating zippers, perfect for all your sewing and crafting needs. They open and close smoothly, ensuring a reliable and long-lasting solution for your projects. These zippers are incredibly versatile, suitable for jackets, coats, bags, tents, and countless DIY crafts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, they're designed to meet your creative demands. With a simple alignment system, attaching a new slider is a breeze. We offer 7 different lengths, from 24 to 30 inches, so you can find the perfect fit for your garments. Engineered for durability, these zippers have been tested to withstand over 50,000 slides. You can trust their strength and longevity, making them a dependable choice for frequent use. Crafted from high-quality resin, plastic, and metal components, they are built to last. Enjoy their robust construction that resists deformation and fading, even with regular use. Looking for a practical gift? These zippers make an excellent present for sewers, designers, and crafters. They're ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to inspire creativity. What we like. This set provides versatile black plastic zippers with smooth operation, perfect for a wide range of DIY projects. If you're a crafter or designer looking for reliable and easy-to-use zippers for clothing, bags, or home decor, these are a great value. They are especially suitable for those who need to attach zippers to various projects and prefer a lightweight, snag-free experience. What people say. The zipper is easy to install and works smoothly. It's a durable replacement that holds up well to frequent use. The design is sleek and modern, complementing the coat's style. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.